I'm your huckleberry.
Hey guys, RCM Moore here. I was messing my little Traxxas TRX4M the other day, and I broke one of the axles. And I don't know if I cross-threaded the nut on it or what, so I bought some replacement ones from Benedict Harry. I got a pair of the steel ones specifically for the TRX4M, and they're right here. So this is just a quick, simple fix. Need to take the hex hub off first, and then pull the axle pin out, which usually they just fall out. There we go. And there's two screws right here on the axle. Yeah, I've never broken those before, so I thought that was weird. Never had an axle break like that. But like I said, it could have been user error, who knows. And these just slide right out. Pull a little bushing off. Got the new one right here. Put the bushing on. Put it back in place here. There we go. Two screws back in. If I can see the hole there we go. Parts are so small on these little rigs. There we go. Get the axle pin back in there. Yep, that one just falls right through. Want it to fall out. Locked on, there we go. I'll get my wheel back on, get this thing running again. I love this little truck. It's a lot of fun. There we go. Quick and simple. Plug it in real quick. And I'm up and running again. There we go. Just a quick and simple fix. Some of y'all probably knew that. Some of y'all may not have. But hopefully that will help y'all out if anybody's looking to replace an axle in one of these trucks. Anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all be good and take care.